Who changed the Wi-Fi? Who changed? Dali! You changed! You changed the Wi-Fi. You changed the Wi-Fi. You changed the Wi-Fi. Hmm? What's the password? Give you a massage. What's your feet? Put your feet in the basket. And you want the massage? Go in the 7-Eleven. What is the password? Tell me, my toy. What's the password? Okay. Thank you.